The thylacine, Thylacinus cynocephalus, also known as the Tasmanian wolf, marsupial wolf, Tasmanian tiger, or thylacine, was a carnivorous marsupial originating in the Holocene. It was native to Australia, Tasmania, and New Guinea, and is believed to have become extinct in the 20th century. It was the last living member of its genus, whose other members lived in the prehistoric times from the beginning of the Miocene. The wild wolf became extinct on mainland Australia thousands of years before the arrival of the European settlers, but survived on the island of Tasmania, along with other endemic species, such as the Tasmanian devil. Intensive hunting, encouraged by rewards, is generally blamed for the extinction, but other factors could have contributed, such as diseases introduction of dogs, or the occupation of its habitat by humans. Despite its official classification as extinct, sightings are still reported, although none have been conclusively proven. Like placental wolf, the marsupial wolf was an apex predator, but being a marsupial, the species has no phylogenetic relationship with canids, and yet due to evolutionary convergence, it had a similar appearance and adaptations is genetically closest. Living relative is the marsupial antbird or numbat. The marsupial wolf had the appearance of a large dog with short fur and a stiff tail that gradually extended from the body, similar to that of kangaroos. Many European settlers made direct comparisons to the hyena due to its posture and general behavior. Its yellowish brown for at between 30 and 21 distinctive black stripes on his back, torso, and base of his tail, earning it the nickname tiger. The stripes were more marked in the young specimens and faded as the animal aged. One of the stripes standing down the outside of her rear thighs is for was thick and soft. Of the 15 millimeters is length. In the young animals, the tip of the tail had a crest. Its rounded, erect ears were about 3 inches long and covered with short hair. The color ranged from the yellowish brown to dark brown. The belly was a cream colored. The measurements of the adults varied between 100 and 108 centimeters in length, including a tail of 50 between 65 centimeters. The largest now specimen measured is at 290 centimeters from the nose to tail. The adults were 60 centimeters tall and weighed between 20 and 30 kilograms. There was slight sexual dimorphism, with the males generally being larger than females. The female had a marsupium with 4 breasts, but unlike many other marsupials, the marsupium opened towards the distal part of the body. The males had a scrotal pocket, a unique anatomical element among Australian marsupials, in which they called place their scrotal sac.